motivation, aggressiveness, discipline, and the fortitude to never say die. That's what it takes to be an airborne soldier.
Ain't that a bitch?
And we're rolling. How's it going? Welcome to Chuck Shaving Channel. How y'all doing? What do we got tonight? Well, we haven't done this one in a while. Dr. John Cedar and Rose. I thought we'd bring it out. And I got a new shave bowl. I got it from the Razor Company. It's one of their 3D printed bowls. I don't know if you can read that or not. But it's got little lather thingies in it. And I got enough for a head shave too. I'm gonna do a head shave off camera. I'm gonna break out my my leaf that Paul at the Shaving Fox sent me. So let's go ahead and get some water, get that blooming. I already done my heat prep on my face. And the brush we're gonna be using is my Ruby Red 24 Badger from Yaki. Let's go ahead and get that in the shaving. The famous shot glass from Memphis, Tennessee. Oh, it's hanging out with Gary's guitar pick. I need to ask him he went to his uncle's wake. Okay, and the razor we're going to be using is, we're going to still use it again, because the Razor Rock Hawk aluminum in blue. And I got a Schick P30 blade in it. Third use. I usually get 5 to 6 shaves off these. And we're going to use my Subtle Arts pre-shave soap, official free shave of Chuck Shaving Channel. I'm going to get this on, get a lather worked up, and I'll be right back, so stay with me. Okay, we're back. I think we did pretty good, don't you? Yeah, I think we did good too. So how y'all doing tonight? Well, I got some news for you. I'm no longer working at Rosemary Beach. So you won't be getting no more nice photos no more. I ain't gonna go into it. Just, I'm happy. So, more time for shave videos, right? Good. This got like an almond, rosy scent. The almond is more prevalent than the rose scent. I finally got my check back from Subaru Corporation on my thermal control valve, so I can go get that. I can get that fan fixed in the, under the AC filter. Goes da, 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 da. All right. Razor Rock Hawk aluminum. You can take this bottom off if you want to. So, I don't. It's third use, still going strong. Doing good. Always watching Harry Potter. I can't believe a lot of the actors in it are dead. One of the actors, Richard Harris, who plays one of the warlocks or what have you, he played in a movie called The Wild Geese. Had Richard Burton, Roger Moore. Those are the main stars in it, and it inspired me to be a paratrooper. Okay, I'll do the neck. This is a vegan soap. Dr. John's is no more. He didn't go out of business because of the economy or anything like that. I think he was a mechanical engineer and he got a job doing mechanical engineering work. So, my great uncle, he's on my in-law side. His last name's Hunter. He was an architectural engineer, and he built the original Pittsburgh airport. His name's on a plaque, if it still is. I've never seen it, but I've been through the Pittsburgh airport when I was like 7. All right, first pass done. Pretty good. I've been using a small squirter. When I use those big squirters, they just spray all over the place. My doctor put me on some, it's called oxybutynin. It's for bladder control. And I think I'm going to go down to 1 pill instead of 2 because it's kind of hard to take 2 pills. It makes you extremely sleepy. Got a lot of side effects too. One of them is you're constipated. The other one's you got dry mouth, nasty mouth. It works. I don't have the urge to go to the bathroom every hour, so that's good. And this bump is almost healed, so that's a good thing. Okay, let's do the third pass. Yeah, we had hamburgers tonight. It's pretty good. Cheeseburgers and macaroni and cheese. I might have me a part 2 here in a little while. Okay, against the grain. I cut myself right there. Oh, I cut myself there last time. What the hell is going on? Just finishing up. Need a little bit right there. Okay. Okay. I am done. I'm going to do my rinses. Then I'm going to come back for the review and the post shave, or the post shave and review. So stay with me. Okay, we're back. I did 3 hot, 2 warm, and 3 cold. Let's do some alum block, see how we did. Cold water on the alum block. Almost dropped it. About 2 out of 5. All right, let's let that dry. What we use? We use Subtle Art Soaps, pre-shave soap, official pre-shave soap with Chuck Shaving Channel. Got lost in thought there. We use Cedar and Rose Essentials by Dr. John's. Dr. John's is no longer a soap maker. We whipped it up in the Razor Company purple and black lather bowl with a Yaki 24 Badger Ruby Red. And we used the Razor Rock Hawk aluminum in blue. The Schick P30 blade on its 3rd use. We use Parker alum block. And we're going to wipe the alum block off. And we're going to put the matching aftershave. Ooh, a little too much there. Burn. Woo! Smells good though. Woo, that burn. I'm too used to Monica's Vanillay soaps. Vanillay aftershave splash. It don't burn at all. Whew. Man, that burn. Well, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed the shave. I'll be seeing more of you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll figure out a giveaway for February, okay? Thanks to all my new subscribers and old subscribers. And y'all have a good night. All right, bye.